Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to convert Celsius into Kelvin and Fahrenheit. Understanding these conversions is essential for various applications, from scientific research to everyday weather reports. We'll cover the simple formulas you need to accurately switch between these temperature scales, ensuring you can always interpret temperature data correctly. Let's dive into the first conversion now. Converting Celsius to Kelvin is quite simple. You just need to add 273.15 to your Celsius temperature. For instance, if you have 25 degrees Celsius, adding 273.15 gives you 298.15 Kelvin. This absolute scale is fundamental in many scientific fields as it directly relates to thermodynamic temperature. It's a quick and easy calculation to master. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like the channel. Your support truly helps us create more content. And on another note, staying hydrated is key, especially when learning new things. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle for keeping your drinks perfectly chilled. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's tackle Celsius to Fahrenheit. This one involves a couple of steps. First, multiply your Celsius temperature by the fraction 9/5. Then, take that result and add 32. So, if you have 10 degrees Celsius, multiplying by 9/5 gives you 18, and adding 32 results in 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Always follow these steps precisely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.